cold. My head is so hot.
Oh no. Mama, you are very sick.
Please do not sleep too long, Mama. Please wake up.
Do not cry, Barnaby. We must be brave.
The magic medicine?
Yes, the snow mushroom. It grows on the high cliff. But the cliff is so high, Pip. I am just a fat badger. I am clumsy. You will not fall. I am your scout.
You are right, Pip.
Cough. Barnaby. My brave boy.
I am scared, but I love my mama. Let's go! No honey. No sweet berries. Ugh. Okay, Pip. Jump in the basket.
I am ready, Captain.
Sniff. Sniff. I smell honey? No. I will sleep here.
This basket feels heavy today. Ouch! A thorn scratched my nose. It hurts.
Be careful, Barnaby. Walk slowly. I am looking.
This tunnel is so scary. I want to go home.
Think about the glowing white mushroom.
Okay, I am trying.
Barnaby! Where are you? Please be safe in the big forest. Oh, no. No.
Pip! I cannot do this.
Don't look down, Barnaby.
Whoa! No! Help! My paws are slipping!
Keep your balance. Step slowly.
This is bad. This is very bad. Watch out, Barnaby! Oh, no! Help me! I am slipping. My claws hurt.
Barnaby, hold on tight.
For Mama. I must be strong. Phew! I did it! You did it! Now crawl. I can't. Yes, you can. You're almost there. I am never doing that again. Good job, buddy. Now, crawl! I can't feel my arms. We are safe on the dirt now.
We just have to climb the pass. The cliff is there.
I see it, Pip. The snow mushroom. I see the light. Ew, what is that smell? I smell it too.
It smells like old mud. Yuck!
Look up, Pip! Look up!
Sniff. Sniff.
I smell a badger.
I smell a mouse.
Crunch. Crunch. I know you are hiding. I will catch you if you do not run.
Mama is waiting. I will not give up.
Barnaby? It is too cold in here. Please come back safely, my boy.
Dig! 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 This is no time to play. We have to run! I am not playing. Look! Look at these white roots. They smell terrible. My nose burns. Yuck!
These are wild onions.
Mama taught me a secret. Bears have the best noses.
A weakness?
What is it? Help me find a log. A round one. Look around the rocks. There! That old, round piece of wood. Perfect.
Smash, smash, smash! Squish the juice out!
The stinky magic trick is ready.
Yuck! I cannot breathe. Just wait a bit longer.
Oh, man.
It is too smelly.
It has to be very smelly. Okay, now we push it. What is that smell?
That is not a sweet snack. That smells funny.
Now, Pip, push with all your might. 1, 2, 3, push!
Roll, roll, roll! It is working.
A big, round, sweet berry is rolling right to me. Yum, yum, yum. Come to my tummy.
Bite it, giant bear! Chomp! Oh, what is this? This is what? What is this?
Oh no. Oh no. Too stinky.
Ah, Cheech-o-o. What was that?
Wow! That was a giant sneeze!
Hold tight, Pip.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Help! I am rolling!
We did it! You chased the giant bear away!
I cannot believe it!
The snow mushroom. I see the light. We just have to climb the pass. The cliff is there.
You can do this! Do not look down! For Mama! I am climbing!
Grunt! Pull! It is so high! I did it! I reached the top! I got them, Pip! I got the magic medicine!
Hooray! Now, let's go home fast! Barnaby? Where are you?
Run, Barnaby, run! We are almost there! I am running! Ouch! Ouch! I don't care about thorns anymore.
Mama, I am back.
Barnaby, my sweet boy, you are safe.
I brought the medicine, Mama. Drink this, Mama. Please drink. Gulp, gulp, gulp. It is so warm.
It will cure you.
It is so warm. Oh. The hot fever is going away. I feel much better.
Hooray! The magic worked.
He chased away a giant bear with a stinky onion.
Ah! Come here, my brave little heroes. I missed you so much, Mama. I am so proud of you.
What will happen next? Tell us below.
We're ready for it.
Be safe, my dears.